Hello and welcome to the channel where we learn how to take care of your nails by yourself at home. I'm Jo, and what I want to share with you in this video is an idea of some white, short, square shape bridal nails. And I'm gonna use semi-permanent nail polish. I will start by cleaning my nails. And for this, I will use this nail tool to just push my cuticles. After I'm done pushing them, I will clean the surface of my nail with the sharp part of the instrument. I'll continue by cleaning the cuticles on the side of the nails. I'll use another nail file to give a proper shape to the nail, in this case a square one. And I'll continue with removing the cuticles with the scissors. But for this, I will place my hand in a bowl of warm water, leave it for a few minutes until the cuticles are softened. Then I'll just cut them with the scissors. As I have clean nails now, I can move to the part that I love the most, and that's applying the nail polish. As I'm going with semi-permanent nail polish this time, first I'll apply a primer. This helps the base coat stick to your nail longer. I'll apply one layer of primer and I will let it dry. Regarding the base coat, the nail polish and the top coat, an important tip is to take care of your hands separately, left and right, but also of these two fingers separately from the others. And why is that? If you apply the base coat on all of your fingers, when you place your hand in the UV lamp, the nail polish will drop on this side of your nail, and that's not good at all. So take care of the four fingers separately from the other one. I'll apply 2 layers of base coat, and after applying each layer, I will let it dry in the UV lamp. I'll continue with the white nail polish and I'll apply 2 layers. After applying each layer, I will let it dry in the UV lamp. One step further, apply 1 layer of top coat and let it dry in the UV lamp. Here, a very important tip is to seal the front of your nail with top coat. This way the nail polish will last longer. One more thing to do and we're done. Use a cotton pad and some degreaser to degrease your nails. And here are your perfect bridal nails. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe and to turn on the notifications so we can keep in touch. Take care, bye!